So today it's finally time for me to sell my Tesla Model X as I await for my new Tesla Model Y Performance that's coming up in a few weeks. So I thought that today would be the perfect time to actually make this video. The steps are very easy but important nonetheless. So let's get right to it. Your Tesla is not just a car, it's tied down to your identity, location history, subscriptions, garage access, profiles, your phone app, everything is tied down to it. So it's important to make sure that these steps are followed properly. So here are the steps: control, service, and then factory reset. Then you enter the Tesla account credentials for security, and then it erases the data. Now what I noticed was that certain settings were still there. I noticed that the key cards were still there. The Bluetooth settings were still there, so I manually removed them all. Okay, so definitely don't perform this step and remove the car before resetting the car, because this happened to me in my first Tesla, where I ended up first removing the car from the app, and then when I went to factory reset, what happened was it asked me to enter the credentials, and then it couldn't connect the Tesla to my account. So I had to call support again, get them to add the car again, which meant that I had to provide more proof that I own the car, like registration and things like that. Then it took an hour for it to come back to the account, and then I had to reprocess the whole thing again. So first, make sure you factory reset and then remove the car from the app. Keep that in mind. Okay, so you open the Tesla app, you tap the menu on the top right corner, then get into My Products and then select your vehicle. You tap Remove or Transfer Ownership, and then you follow the prompts thereafter. Removing the car will also cancel paid subscriptions like FSD or Premium Connectivity as some examples. Once you're done with this step, this disconnects your account from your car completely. This step also makes sure any future supercharging sessions on this car is not connected to your payment method. So let's do a quick recap before you give away your Tesla. Factory reset the vehicle, remove the car from the Tesla app. Just in case, check all your driver profiles are removed, your home link is reset, your phone keys are not listed, and finally, do a thorough sweep of the car, especially check under the seats, glove box, and sub-trunks to make sure that you don't have anything that's left back. This is Ben from Technologically Curious, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. This goes a long way for the channel. I am coming up with more content on my new Tesla Model Y Performance, so stay tuned. Bye-bye.